Complete full stack web development roadmap and how you can reach maximum salaries of full stack web developer and the paid and free resources of how you can become a best full stack web developer. So hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video I will show you that how you can become a full stack web developer, which skill you need, which programming language you have to learn, and all of the conclusion will be clear. So first, we have three kind of developers. First is front end, second is back end, and the third one is full stack. So the front end web developers is doing the front end of a website, is building a front end of a website. So how our website looks to the users that are our website viewers. So in a front-end web developer, we have to learn HTML, hypertext markup language, and we have to learn CSS, the designing. So how you can design your website, you can design it with CSS and JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language of how you can build your front end of a website, and JavaScript is using for the backend as well. So plus you have to learn one framework. That framework I suggest personally you have to learn Bootstrap, and you can learn React.js and others as well, but I recommend you to learn Bootstrap. So this is how for example, we have a car. Our car iron is HTML, the paint and the color of our car is CSS, and the logic in a machine of our car is JavaScript. And Bootstrap have been getting our work very easy by simple copy and pasting on CSS. So this is how our front end, what we need in our front end web developer skills. And another one is backend. Backend is storing our data, and that our users don't view that data. So it's stored in our databases. So what you have to learn? So you have to learn MongoDB. You can learn MongoDB or Python and or headless CMS. So I recommend you to learn MongoDB or Python because these two have a lot of job opportunities. And headless CMS is using for freelancing because it's so easy and it have less job opportunities. So you can learn another framework as well, but I will create another video about that, how you can become advanced full stack web developer. So I will show you some other frameworks as well, and that will show to you on screen now that how you can advance your full stack web developer skills, that frameworks you have to learn. So you can learn PHP language as well. So another part of web development is full stack web development. So full stack web development is the developers that build our front end and back end, both of them. These developers are called full stack web developers. After you have learned front end, you have to learn back end as well. And in addition to that, you have to learn a few core of concepts, like these concepts will show you on screen right now. So HTTP, you have to learn about HTTP and HTTPS, the servers, and you have to learn about how to build an API, and you have to learn about, and you have to work on real projects. So that can build your portfolio on high skills value. So this is how you can become a full stack web developer. And one thing that don't forget, if you are working in web development, you have to work on your JavaScript more and more as you can, because a lot of big companies works on JavaScript, that how your JavaScript is. So you have to work a lot in JavaScript programming language. So this is how full stack web developers look like, and on screen you will see that how much uh, full stack web developers make. So one thing, and backend web developers that are MongoDB, Python, and headless CMS. These are the three things that which one you choose can. So you have to choose Python or MongoDB because these have a lot of high salary packages and a lot of job opportunities as well, because MongoDB have a lot of job opportunities and Python have a lot of as well, but headless CMS have less job opportunities. So these are the average salary of full stack web developers and backend and frontend that you are seeing right now on our screen, and it is on United States. And one thing, don't forget the free resources and the paid resources that you can pay to learn full stack web development. So I prefer to take, if you have money, you have to get Angela Yu, Dr. Angela Yu courses, because it's very great courses. At in the Angela Yu course, you can learn full stack web development. Is 54 hours long. It will show you, and you will learn on Angela Yu course that how to learn HTML. It will have the core concepts of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, React.js, Vue.js, all of these Angela Yukos have. So if you want free resources, you have to ask in the comments. I will come with a replay shortly. So all this for that video. If you like this kind of a content, please subscribe to the channel. Bye.